This is Amy, Master Herbalist and Certified Naturopath, and today I'm going to speak to you herbal remedies for the bladder. Think of bladder problems, we usually think of infections. And that is most of the time what happens when you have a bladder infection. It's usually always bacteria. So first off, you want to prevent as much as possible. So a few things to make sure that you do is good clean hygiene. Also drinking plenty of fluids, having a good balanced diet, and just overall good hygiene is essential. Now, if you think of the infection, there are a few things that I would recommend as far as herbs go. This special force is a good one. Has been useful to help people with bacterial infection, and it would be a good one. Another one is the LDM and this Immunity Boost, which has this herb in it. LDM is short for Lamium dissectum, and it's very strong, and very powerful and effective. So these are good as well. Now, the other issue that I've found with bladder problems is it could possibly be internicious cystitis, where the lining in the bladder is inflamed or sensitive, and then you'll get chronic pain upon urination, and frequent urination, and just different issues like that. Often pain in the back, in the front. And so in that case, it's a little bit different than just infections. That lining in the bladder has been damaged. So that's what needs to be worked on. So in those cases, what I recommend is this bladder formula, and then you use it with the complete bone and tissue. So that this complete bone and tissue, or tissue and bone, actually heals tissue and bone. Okay, so it's been used for many things. That's great. So I like to combine the two, and then that way you get more healing in the bladder. So you would take 2 of each twice a day, and you do that for a good while. And if a person has had internicious cystitis, then they're going to need to, depending on how long they've had it, they're going to need to take it for a good year. And then you can wean down, but you do want to go back on and not totally stop taking it. So those are a few helps for herbal helps that historically have been used to help your bladder. I hope this has been helpful.